Hey guys, Alyssa here with Diesel Power Products. If you're running an 03 to 07 Dodge Ram with a 5.9 Cummins, this upgrade is a game changer. Today, we're looking at the BladeRunner Intake Manifold with Grid Heater Delete, designed specifically for your truck. From the factory, your intake system is restricted. This intake system increases airflow by up to 32% using AFE's directional vane technology, helping your engine breathe better and perform more efficiently. Also, it removes the factory grid heater, which improves airflow and removes a known restriction point in the intake system. What this means for you: better throttle response, more horsepower potential, and a more efficient engine, especially if you are tuned or running other performance modifications. If you want to unlock more power, increase airflow, and clean up a known restriction point in the engine, get yours today at dieselpowerproducts.com.